Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhallerao and I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Friends, in today's video we shall learn about phrases. How to use phrase in a sentence. But before watching this video, as usual I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Alright, let's begin to learn about phrases. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो ग्रामरमध्ये इंग्लिशच्या पेपरमध्ये जे स्टार्टिंगला सेक्शन 1 जे लँग्वेज स्टडी आहे त्या अंतर्गत हा फ्रेजेसच्या रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन किंवा ऍक्टिव्हिटीज विचारली जाते. एक फ्रेज दिला जातो आणि त्या दिलेला फ्रेज तुमच्या स्वतःच्या वाक्यामध्ये यूज करायला सांगितला जातो. इथे आपल्याला काही प्रॅक्टिससाठी बरेचसे फ्रेजेस दिलेले आहेत. पण मला एक गोष्ट इथे नमूद करावीशी वाटते. ऑल दीज कलेक्शन ऑफ फ्रेजेस हे जे सगळे फ्रेजेस हे कलेक्शन केलेलं आहे ते एका अतिशय इंटेलिजंट अँड हार्ड वर्क करणारे टीचर आहेत अँड हिज नेम इज मिस्टर हरट. सर हरट सरांना मी अतिशय मनापासून आभार मानू इच्छितो कारण त्यांनी हे कलेक्शन केलेलं आहे आणि त्यामुळेच मी हा व्हिडिओ बनवित आहे. चला तर आपण सुरुवात करूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1B अंतर्गत हा जो क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो डू एज डायरेक्टेड त्याच्यामध्ये विचारलं जातं अटेम्प्ट एनी वन आणि पुढे असं म्हटलं जातं उदाहरण एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे ते मेक अ मिनिंगफुल सेंटेन्स बाय युझिंग द फ्रेज बी एबल टू. सो बी एबल टू अशा प्रकारची फ्रेज दिली जाते किंवा कोणत्याही प्रकारची फ्रेज दिली जाईल आणि ते तुमच्या स्वतःच्या वाक्यामध्ये यूज करायला सांगितली जाईल. इथे आन्सर दिलेला आहे. आता आपण फ्रेज आणि डायरेक्ट त्याचं सेंटेन्समध्ये यूज केलेलं सेंटेन्स आपण बघणार आहोत. इथे आन्सर कसं दिले बघा. राधा इज एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली लाईक दिस. ऑलराईट, लेट्स सी. नंबर 1 फ्रेज इज अ बोल्ट फ्रॉम द ब्ल्यू and the sentence his father's sudden death came as a bolt from the blue to the family. Next phrase a lot of म्हणजे पुष्कळ. Sentence most of the people spend a lot of time in the pursuit of money. Let's see the next phrase an epitome of. And the sentence is Dr. Stephen Hawking is an epitome of courage. Next phrase because of. And the sentence Anil was unable to attend the meeting because of his personal problem. Next phrase bestow on. And the sentence the God has bestowed on or upon him the great gift of sweet voice. Next phrase consists of. And the sentence this book consists of 500 pages. Next phrase couple of. Sentence he had a couple of days to complete this subject, to complete the project. Next phrase down to earth. And the sentence he is a practical and down to earth person. Next phrase due to. And the sentence I missed the class due to the rain. Next sentence, next phrase for a while. And the sentence he paused for a while and again began to tell. Next phrase for the sake of. And the sentence he sacrificed his life for the sake of his country. Next phrase in a dilemma. Sentence the harassed manager was in a dilemma. Next phrase in a flash. And the sentence the thief disappeared in a flash before we could catch him. Next phrase in front of. And the sentence my house is in front of my school. Next phrase in full splendor. And the sentence I saw a butterfly among the trees in its full splendor. Next phrase in order to. And the sentence he worked hard in order to achieve success. Next phrase in search of. and the sentence, he was in search of a job. Next phrase, in spite of, and the sentence, in spite of his busy schedule, he attended our function. Next phrase, in the pursuit of, and the sentence, in the age of technology, everyone is in the pursuit of money. Next phrase, instead of, sentence, we should eat homemade food instead of junk food. Next phrase, lack of, and the sentence, lack of fund, we can't help the poor. Next phrase, on behalf of, and the sentence, I humbly accept this award on behalf of all my countrymen. Next phrase, scores of, and the sentence, he has scores of grammar books. Next phrase, throw dust in the eyes, and the sentence, he tries to throw dust in the eyes of poor customers. Next phrase, to adhere, and the sentence, he adhered to his simplicity throughout his life. Next phrase, to be a part and parcel, and the sentence, it had become a part and parcel of their daily life. Next phrase, to be afraid of, and the sentence, most of the people are afraid of ghosts and darkness. Next phrase, to be ashamed of, and the sentence, he was ashamed of his act of stealing. Next phrase, to be confined to, and the sentence, my neighbor is confined to be bed for a long time with paralysis. Next phrase, to be engrossed in, and the sentence, he was engrossed in the conversation with his friend. Next phrase, to be found of, and the sentence, he is fond of playing cricket. Next, to be known as, and the sentence, Dr. Abdul Kalam is known as Missile Man. Next phrase, to be known for, and the sentence, Amitabh is known for his acting. Next phrase, to be over, and the sentence, our school will be over at 5 p.m. Next phrase, to be overwhelmed by, and the sentence, I was overwhelmed by great success. Next phrase, to be proud of, and the sentence, I am proud of my country. Next phrase, to be surprised, and the sentence, I was surprised to see a dog playing piano. Next phrase, to be taken up, and the sentence, Rima was taken up in worry for her mother. Next phrase, to be unable to, and the sentence, he was unable to appear for the exam because of his illness. Next phrase, to belong to, and the sentence, this cat belonged to my father. Next phrase, to catch hold of, and the sentence, Rajesh caught hold of his friend's arm. Next phrase, to catch sight of, and the sentence, as soon as the child caught sight of a dog, it ran away. Next phrase, to depend on, and the sentence, our success depends on our hard work. Next, to fall prey, and the sentence, young people fall prey to attractive, tasty food. Next phrase, to fight against, and the sentence, Kailash Satyarthi fights against child labor. Next phrase, to figure out, and the sentence, we have figured out the plan. Next phrase, to find a solace, and the sentence, the baby found a solace in her mother's caring arms. Next phrase, to get rid of, and the sentence, I got rid of the bad company. Next phrase, to give up, and the sentence, his wife finally persuaded him to give up smoking. Next phrase, to look after. And the sentence, we ought to look after our old parents. Next phrase, to root out. Sentence, let us root out the evils from the society. Next one, to run away. And the sentence, the thief ran away from jail. Next one, to save one's skin. And the sentence, they were fighting to save their skin. Next phrase, to set out for. And the sentence, she set out for the People Nagar marketplace. Next phrase, to be settled down. And the sentence, now he is settled down in Mumbai. Next phrase, to stand by. And the sentence, we should stand by the poor people. Next one, to take a glance. And the sentence, the officer took a glance through the report submitted by his assistant. Next phrase, to take care of. And the sentence, we should take care of our health. Next phrase, to take a notice. And the sentence, the boy did not take notice of his father's warning. Next phrase, to take up. And the sentence, recently he has taken up a new project in hand. Next phrase, to throw away. And the sentence, we should throw away the blind beliefs from our society. Next one, to wait for. And the sentence, he was waiting for his father. And last one, to be aware of. And the sentence, he is aware of his condition. So friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you good day. Take care. Thank you very much.